In case your subscription model contains multiple tiers, you can use the pricing card component for subscription tiers. And the way we're going to set those up is a little bit different. First of all, like with all pricing cards, we need to go under the Data tab, Option Set. Here you will see some pre-configured option set for 3 tiers, a Basic, Pro, and Scale tier. We're going to modify those attributes. As you can see, we need to fill out the ID price test monthly and ID price test yearly for each tier. And we also need to add the plan features to this tier. In our case, adding plan features is super easy. You go under the plan features field, create all the features for all plans, and later on you go under the plan tab and associate the features to the product that are relevant to that product. In our case, we're going to say feature A and B are for the basic tier. Feature A, B, C are for the Pro tier. And as you can imagine, for the Scale tier, we're going to use feature A, B, C, D. And you just add them like this to the plan. But now we need to create the pricing IDs for each plan. So we need to switch to our Stripe dashboard view. We go back to our product catalog. As you can see, I'm in the test mode environment. I'm under the product catalog tab. And now we're going to create the Basic, Pro, and Scale product. If we click create a new product, we're going to name this one Basic. Must be the same name as we've put it in the option set. Let me just quickly check what price I'm thinking of. So I'm thinking of a monthly price of $15 and a yearly monthly equivalent price of $10, which equals $120 per year. So we're going to start with the monthly price, $15. It's going to be billed monthly, and it's going to be the basic price product. So as you can see, we now have a basic product, the basic tier actually, and we're going to click into that product and add a yearly price, because the per month, $15 per month plan is the default, but the user can upgrade to a yearly price, which will equal $120 in my case. It will be billed yearly, so this equals $10 monthly. So we're going to create this price, and we have created our first tier. So this is basically how it works. We're going to copy the price IDs into our option set, ID price test monthly, ID price test yearly. If we go live later on, we need to copy the live price IDs into the respective data fields, ID price live monthly, ID price live yearly. But for now, I'm going to go with the test environment setup, and we're going to click save. Good. Now we're going to create the Pro pricing tier. So I'm going to open this one up already. These are all price IDs. So I'm thinking of a monthly price of $45. If the billing period is monthly, so we go back. There we are. We have created the basic tier, create product. And we're going to create a Pro tier. Default will be a monthly billing period, and the price will be $45. We add the product. We go into the product, into the tier actually, and we're going to add a yearly price. In our case, the yearly price will be $30 per month if you pay it upfront yearly. So the overall price will be $360, and it will be billed yearly. And as you can see now, for the Pro tier, we have 2 prices, a monthly and a yearly price. And what we're going to do is, again, copy those price IDs into our option set, ID price test monthly and ID price test yearly. I'm going to click save. So there's one product missing, which is the Scale pricing tier. So we're going to name it Scale. And we're going to check in the option set what price I'm thinking of. So it's a monthly price of $100 if it's billed monthly. We click into the product and we add the yearly price. In my case, I'm thinking of $80 per year. And as such, we create the price. And again, we have two prices associated with this tier, a monthly price and a yearly price. We take, first of all, we delete those price IDs because those are old. So we copy those price IDs, the monthly price test, monthly and price test yearly. And we click save. And that's it. What we need to do now for this pricing card is we need to go into the component itself, click edit reusable element. And then the last step will be basically to add the data source for those three pricing cards respectively. So the data source for the first card will be the basic option set. For the second pricing card, it will be the pro option set. And for the third pricing card, we're talking about the scale option set. And that's it. Pricing cards are configured and linked to Stripe. If we update the billing page, you can see those are the three prices. Users can switch between monthly and annual pricing. And whatever price you click now, let's use the Pro $45 per month, billed monthly, you will be redirected to a Stripe checkout page. Here's the associated price. Once the user fills out their card details, they will be redirected back to our app. And the pricing card changes to a status card. They will be able to manage their plan. They can either upgrade or downgrade. Everything will be recorded in the database. If we take a look at the database now, we can see under the subscription database that a pro plan was purchased. The plan interval is monthly, and under payments, a payment of £45 was registered. So everything is synced up with Stripe. And like with all the other plans and pricing card components, users will also be able to cancel their subscription and self-manage everything. So in this case, if they cancel their subscription, the pricing card or the status card changes again, and the user will see that the subscription is canceled. And when the subscription ends,